Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer information in games from one Xbox, could be an Xbox One or a Series S, to an Xbox Series X. And this is really easy to do. So if you have them both connected to your home network, your Wi-Fi router, let's go up to Settings and then scroll on down until we get to System. Then go to the right and go to Backup and Transfer. And there's two different ways that we can transfer information from one Xbox to the other. The first is Backup My Settings. Now, you can go to this area right here and you can plug in a USB storage device, and then you can back up your settings right here. Now, if you don't have a USB storage device that's 128 gigabytes or larger, or USB 3.0, we want to back out and we can go to Network Transfer. Let other consoles copy games and apps from this Xbox and see what consoles are available on your network. So if you have your Xbox, turn it on, check mark where it says Allow Network Transfer. And then choose the Xbox that's found on your network, and you should be able to copy information from that Xbox to your currently used Xbox. So this can make transferring games so much easier, especially if you have a download limit on your home network. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.